into this race and walk out with a school record? Yeah? You guys are ready?
I mean, really all it was, we don't do interviews, we just run. You guys have successfully made it through our hardest weeks of
Soon the lanes will clear, the uniforms will be packed away, and the people who once ran side by side will start running in different directions.
I feel like I have to leave it all out there or else I won't have completed everything that I've worked so hard for.
me finishing strong is about just like, leaving it all out there, getting that last stride in.
They're seeing that this is the finale. They're seeing it all come to an end, and I think they're starting to become a little more sentimental about it. They don't want to admit that they are. But I think they're out here having a great time. I think they're doing a great job. They're ready for the next step, and I think they're killing it.
I was going to do a nasty knee saw. They made the seasons a lot more fun. Got a lot of good memories with them. I'm going to miss them.
Probably all the guys and that cracking jokes with Finley and Abu. That's definitely the best part. Because we're all we're not close in age, but they're like our uncles and aunties, but we treat them with respect as well as our coaches.
I've butchered because that's a chance to qualify for state. You won't have next year. It's a lot of times previous year I can do it next year. I can prove next year. This is that year, so it's kind of a lot more pressure.
I really just want to go to state this year with my friends and my teammates. Got a lot to look forward to, and I'm gonna miss this group when they're gone.
Obviously miss pole vaulting, having fun, just messing around, just enjoying it.
Probably my teammates, coaches, just spending times on the weekends with friends.
On every team, seniors aren't just the oldest athletes, they're the tone setters. They're the ones who show up when it's cold, when it's early, when nobody feels like going 100%. Not because they're told to, but because they've been here long enough to understand what consistency really means.
Just being a leader, really. That to me is just being a leader, setting a good example, and when everybody is down, really, you gotta pull everybody else back up.
In the end, the story was never just about track and field. It was about time. About the people who started as strangers and somehow became a family through miles, sweat, bus rides, and late-night under stadium lights. For the seniors, this season was more than a final chapter. It was the closing of something that shaped who they became. Every practice, every race, every moment they wanted to quit, but didn't. It all led here. The track will still be here next season. New athletes will take these lanes. New goals will be chased. But this group, this team, only happens once. And that's what makes it worth remembering.